In this video we're going to find the HCF and LCM of 924 and 630. So the first step is to write both these numbers as a product of their prime factors. Right, for 924 we use repeated division, so I'll show you both methods. Because this number's even, it's divisible by 2, and if you divide it by 2 you're going to get 462. Again, this number is even, so we're going to again divide it by 2. And if you divide that by 2, you get 231. And then the digits of this one are 2, 3, and 1. If you add those up, it gives you 6, so therefore it is divisible by 3. So dividing 231 by 3 is going to give you 77. Then the next prime number that goes into 77 is 7. 7's into 77 go 11, and the 11 is a prime number on itself, so 11 goes into 11, 1. So you should end up with 1 here. And then you can now write 924 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7 times 11. Right, 630 will put in its product of its prime factors using the factor tree method. So write down 630, two arms. Look at what is the look to see what is the lowest prime number that goes into that, and that's 2. And if you divide that by 2, you're going to get 315. And now 315. Okay, 2 doesn't go into it because it's odd, but if you do 3 plus 1 plus 5, you get 9, which means it's divisible by 3. So 3 goes into 315 105 times. Again, 1 plus 5 gives you 6, so that's divisible by 3. And 3 goes into 105 35 times, and then 35 it can be divided by 5, and it will give you 7 left over. So all these are the prime factors of 630. I'm going to write 630 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7. Okay, going over to the next page, you're going to write those out, and I'm sort of going to line them up a little bit as well. So lining up like common ones is quite a good idea here. So we're going to use a Venn diagram to work out the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So we just need to draw what's known as two intersecting sets. So filling the bit that's common to both first, we have that 2 is common. We have that 3 is common, so you cross them off as you do it. And we have that 7 is common. Okay, what we put here? Well, we have a 2 and 11. So cross those off. And then what we put over here? We have, for 630, we have 3 and 5 left over. Right, now to write down the highest common factor. The highest common factor is the intersection. So it's going to be 2 times 3 times 7. And working that out, that's going to give me 42. And the lowest common multiple, what you do is you write down each of these one time only. So it's 2 times 11 times 2 times 3 times 7, and then times 3 times 5. And then you work that out, and that is going to give you 13,860. Now, what have we actually found here for the HCF and the LCM? Well, the HCF is called will be the highest number. 42 is the highest number that divides exactly into both 924 and 630. And the LCM, so 13,860, is the lowest number that both 924 and 630 divide into exactly. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple using prime factors and using the Venn diagram method to work each out. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.